Insta360 has launched the Sphere, what it calls an invisible drone camera that attaches to a DJI Mavic Air 2 or 2S and allows it to capture 360-degree video content. The Sphere is made up of two Insta360 cameras that attach to drone with an ultra-secure locking mechanism. Insta360 says the Sphere system has no impact on the drone's structural integrity and does not impede the GPS signal or the remote control system. The camera can operate for 48 minutes in 5.7K resolution and can capture photos and videos. The Sphere has a built-in stabilization system, which Insta360 calls flow state. The company says it has been fine-tuned to ensure steady aerial footage regardless of the conditions. The Insta360 Sphere is available in the US and China starting for $430.